Oh, now this sun in the morning.
My man talking about the sun in the morning.
Chop, chop.
Take it how you want to take it.
What's the name of our podcast?
I don't know the name of our podcast.
That's the first topic of discussion.
Yeah, that's all we need to know, you know? Fucking war.
I know we came out here with no name, but that's all we need.
It's alright, you know? This is the first of many.
I was just about to say, give me a cigarette.
What's going on?
Gave me jail. Look at the cigarette my wife just gave me. I about to pick something up on the floor.
You said what?
That's open.
Huh?
I'm smoking it. I'm grateful.
I was trying to figure out what you was talking about beating on the floor. Thanks for joining us. We got special guests coming up.
We got special guests. See like a FaceTime. Nah, I ain't FaceTime.
But FaceTime somebody come to go on the podcast.
I don't want to be on my podcast. We going to the podcast.
We could be doing the live every time too.
Yeah, we can do the live. Yeah.
Doing like this.
I like that.
Put it on the live.
You just move the camera over.
Yeah, oh, you got
Yeah, we gotta make sure we get franc.
That's the slot players.
yeah, that's a slide.
When you go to the casino, he only play the
The
slots.
slots. No roulette. Or blackjack. But he is
Nah,
blackjack.
he mugging over there.
He play the slots and he is blackjack.
I like that though. All we gotta set up though.
Yeah, nah, this is a good little
Regular day shit.
Yeah, just a regular day. Mr.
Oh,
Just a regular
they
day.
didn't even see the joint you put on your gram. Me, you and Smoke with Sleep.
Yeah, I had to throw my man out here for the one time. Free smoke.
That's what Carmen and was like laughing my ass off.
The best movers in the DMV.
Yeah, hands down.
Only stealing shoes from Common daughter. Nobody else.
Hey, Carmen, I gotta holler at you too, man. You got that girl living foul, man.
We don't talk about our clients.
Who Klein?
We don't talk about our clients.
When you want to eat that? He's out. He's out.
We'll tell your daughter my man trying to get at her.
Oh, I think she was trying to get at me. But I played it cool. I ain't even. I backed up off.
I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't see you though.
I ain't even jump off in it.
In her.
He's an old vendor. He said, what the nigga that you live with not trouble? You not know? He said, no, I'm my blood brother. Wish he would. Kidnap nigga. See, y'all know nothing about that average. You don't know about average. What?
Oh, the vlog. Yeah.
What y'all know about average? Hold on, we back. Oh, a little bit of turbulence. Put your seatbelts on. The seatbelt light just came on.
Oh shit! You know what that means? That means we need to get above 60 or something.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna slow down now. Get under 65. That's what we do. 65 and under. Yeah. No social security.
No social security.
That's how we gotta ride. Get over 65 is shaky.
Yeah, don't be fooled because I got a Thrasher shirt on. I do not skateboard.
And he does not thrash nothing.
Yeah, look.
What bar?
Oh! Yeah. Y'all not meeting T-Bar today.
Alright, listen, I'm T-Bar.
Not today.
That's the day right now.
Alright, I'm T-Banger right now.
Yeah, there you go.
You know why they call me T-Bar.
Not ready for
Nah, they don't know. They ain't ready for that. That's another episode.
Yeah.
Long way, short way, no way.
Oh. I'll pull over on this side of this road right now. The way.
Is it the way? Alright. Long way, short way, the way.
I like that.
We gonna leave it there. Can't trust a nigga who name himself.
I just adjusted it now. You put no way on me, like damn.
No way, he's no way Jose.
Damn.
Jose no way.
I can't wait till Friday. I'm gonna be no way. I don't like that one.
Yeah. Yeah, I need this Friday to come.
I'm holding off for Friday. I don't want Friday to come.
No. Right now, y'all, it's Wednesday. I'm not even gonna count Wednesday, but up to Tuesday, I'm 40 and a half in. I get paid $30 an hour.
They ain't gonna come for you.
Oh, that's my extra right there, fucking with these people.
You said they'll come for my ass.
What the?
You get paid Friday.
They got
You
me
got $30 an hour. You got 40 hour check.
already. You got 3 more days to go.
Then you gonna check out the podcast.
The
What you doing on Friday, T-Bar, T-Bang?
What you doing?
T-Bar?
I got no Jamaican accent, y'all. So.
Nah,
Yeah, man.
Yaga.
The downstairs.
Him not a real
Saturday.
Yard
Saturday.
Him not a real yardie.
Not the real yachty.
Why?
Yaga, what one my youth?
Rachel, she come over there Diane, when she come in the jump,
What was the job up on my side?
she
It
put
said
her,
go back. Oh, because it wanted me to go back around. Okay, so I got fucking.
look, she come, once she knows she coming down me, she coming down there, she got her glasses on. Like, talking about allergies. Somebody caught her.
Somebody stole her.
Somebody stole her.
Somebody
ass, bro.
stole the shit.
Somebody stole her.
Shit.
There ain't no allergies, bro.
Somebody caught her with a mean one.
Somebody caught her, bro.
She said she got an eye infection. I don't know why she took her glasses
Hey,
off.
I told her to put it on. I said, man, you gotta
That
put
nigga-
the things back
That nigga
on.
first put the glasses back on.
Why she do that?
Yeah. I don't know.
She said, yeah, I guess you're right.
Who caught her, Jose?
That little piece of shit.
Oh, what's his name? Frederico.
Frederico.
Freddy.
Nigga. Is that, look, is that the daughter's
She-
husband?
She was going. No. What, Frederico?
Yeah, the
No,
Migo.
that's her action.
The Migo that came and picked
That's
up
her
some of the stuff?
action. She liked the little side eye.
Okay.
Federico, what's his name?
Yeah.
He called her.
Yeah, she's
I used to rub.
cause she jazzed him up one day. She like, yeah, and he had some magnums. I don't know what he needed those for. I was like, oh shit.
So she out here fucking amigo.
She living with him. She living with him.
She live with him or he live with her?
All this shit gotta get edited
You're
out.
right.
Nah.
This is for
This
that.
podcast. This for
Nah,
that.
we got that.
These that podcast for them
Nah,
motherfuckers.
maybe if it was on the live, you had to catch it while it was up. But it is a recording. They can go back to it. No,
She ain't on it though.
nah, she's not on it. Somebody gonna tell her.
Rachel.
Oh, you saying names now?
Yeah.
Dry snitcher.
Look.
I said her name 4 times already.
Nah, we ain't saying.
He said her name. He said her name one time.
I didn't know who y'all was talking about this morning. Nah.
What you talking about, Sean?
You know what?
What you talking about?
This conversation over.
So listen, y'all.
What you talking about?
Do the weather or something, you know?
Yeah.
We
Do
done
the
missed,
sports, man. Go to the sports,
Do the
man.
forecast,
Do the
man.
sports.
we done missed 2 accidents fucking with y'all. Maybe I need to be driving. I don't know.
Do the forecast, man.
What's the little joint I did yesterday at Bojo?
What is it?
This is looking good today.
Say go Route 1. Can you tell me to make no
I'll tell you
turn?
what next time.
Come on, do the weather.
Do the weather, man. What is it on?
Give
It's
us-
gonna be
give us-
88 and
give us-
humid.
Give us the forecast, man.
Forecast today.
Not just today, you gotta give it for the whole week.
I'm about doing Star Wars today because we can't
You
get
know
to
the day
tomorrow.
first.
Without
day.
it.
Yeah, go ahead. Go
You
ahead.
know what I'm saying? First off, ain't nobody watching this today.
Oh, okay.
We recording this today.
Going, okay. This is a rough drag.
It's rough drag, right?
Now, go ahead. We might post it today if it look right.
Nah, this ain't looking right at all.
Not at all. But we might edit it and make it look right.
Yeah. Okay, the nigga telling you to go to the weather.
My man go to the shoe. He gets stuck on the shoes. He open it up. That's that face ain't fucking
No,
weather.
but go to the weather.
Hey, go ahead.
I don't know. All I know it's already hot as a motherfucker out here. You know what I'm saying? And right
88
now,
degrees.
88. It's gonna be 88 until like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Then it's gonna drop. It may rain
Yeah.
because I see clouds in the air. But other than that, you know,
Regular day.
It's a regular day. It's a regular day.
We can't even do the weather.
Yeah, Mike.
I'm not a weather, man. Hey,
Say with the degrees and all that. Alright, fuck the weather. We ain't doing the weather.
Do the sports or something.
Not today.
What sports? What sports on right now?
Ain't shit.
You suck at this.
Hey, hold on. The law right
Oh,
outside.
Oh. Everybody look like Charles Ramsey was just there.
Oh, you gonna take one? You gonna take one away? Am I lying?
Nah, lying. That was everybody gave the Ramsey.
Yeah, I ain't
You
even
get one of them too, like
Yeah. Every time you see us, police, you gotta spark a jack. Release some stress.
Hey, this the newest member of the Chop Chop, y'all. Call him Lil Chop.
Man, Man, how you putting things up that ain't even official yet?
You the newest
We
member?
ain't even cast the vote.
I'm fucking with them. I don't like their name.
Oh, no. All right.
But nah, that might have to be a name.
Still
Back door.
Back door, front door.
Front door strong.
Alright, I got something to talk about.
Alright.
Community service. Huh?
I got my hours in for the month.
Did you? Alright,
Alright, community service, y'all.
talk about it, man.
Alright, I don't know. We just got to serve.
How you gonna wait till the last minute?
Talk to us, huh?
Huh? No, you got 30 days to get out somewhere.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
wait till the last minute, the day before, and say, no, we can't even wait till tomorrow. My man just worked 40-something hours in a 4-day span. 3-day span. He
Oh,
can't
wait.
even chill, man.
I couldn't even
Right,
tell.
right,
On the way right here.
yeah.
Got my man fucked up with me,
Like back in the day, he out here working.
fucked up with Banger.
Good.
So we not even around. My man's out there humping.
700 feet, one of water. What's that?
Everybody went to sleep with a guilty conscience.
Don't
last
shake
night.
it.
Yeah, I know y'all did. I know y'all did, yeah.
Yeah, I was like, man.
I know y'all.
This nigga
know, yeah.
Frank. I feel so bad.
I felt y'all. I know y'all did,
You
yeah.
saw how I walked up to you.
Yeah, but it wasn't even that. It was her. It was more so like, why y'all doing my man like that? Like,
Oh,
you know what
I got some footage of AJ last night
came
on the
back?
convo
He came back
talking about
about.
community service.
He said, Frank.
He said,
I'm running on you.
He said, man, I swear to Frank, you want to do that shit.
count.
I said,
Count.
That nigga came right in pad and hop right on the gut.
What's
He said, I'm all below some shit.
What's the most important meal of the day, y'all?
Breakfast.
Alright.
You're right.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
Bacon.
Bacon.
Just bacon? Man, I'm a bacon nigga too, though.
Man, I'm not a choosy one. I don't got no favorite. I like it. I want everything.
Yeah. Breakfast is the type of motherfucker feel.
My eyes bigger than my stomach. You know what I'm saying?
Nah. I would go to breakfast.
Nah.
But I only can eat breakfast food.
When it comes to breakfast, my eyes ain't bigger than my stomach.
No, I meant it like that. I
I'm
meant it
eating
like
all.
that.
I only can eat
Set the
breakfast
Bible.
from like 10 to 10 or 11 to 11.
I can eat 24/7.
Alright.
I swear I can eat
I
breakfast.
can't go eat no bacon, egg, and cheese right now.
I can.
I gotta do the BLT.
Oh, the BLT, that drink cranking, y'all. Casanovas, shout out.
What's up? Casablanca.
Oh shit. Casablanca, shout out. Shit been hanging with Frank too long.
Trying to say that shit about my ages, bro. I be saying right meaning left.
But the nigga, what you already do what store he was talking about. You knew what restaurant he was talking about,
That
right?
took me a minute. Log on fast, I go to sleep.
Everybody ain't no Ramsey, yeah.
You gonna hit him with that one?
Yeah.
Hit him with the smoke center seat? Sir, excuse me, sir. Wake him up. I'm like, I was raised not to touch man. Nah, you ain't gonna catch me with an assault because this one is Waterloo.
Ain't it right here?
I couldn't even see the damn address of the joint. I was shaking so damn much. Oh, people drive the weirdest cars, dog.
This Truck Talk. That's the name of our podcast.
Joe,
so-
good shit. Good shit. Hey, check that airport though, man.
You told me cut it off.
No, listen up.
Yeah, they fucking our podcast up.
Sorry, we got a call, y'all.
Truck Talk, back in the building, back in the truck.
So, what the fuck is this? Oh, shit, be Grant. Been out here, man. I think we'd have been all over the world, man.
How far we is till we go?
I don't know.
I don't know. We 5 minutes away?
We ready then?
I want some motherfucking Royal Farms.
Oh, please get this motherfucker to Roy Farm today, man. Yeah, like that motherfucker.
Oh,
nigga
you was
to
talking about
carry
that?
us.
Yeah. Royal Farms, what, they just got some chicken and wedges, man.
That's all. It is the shit. It's plain. Not
Oh,
even
man,
no taste on
plain.
it.
But y'all know I fuck with the cheese, bro.
What
Cheese.
cheese at Royal
Cheese.
Farms
Yo,
that you
bro.
fucking with?
The cheese sauce.
This the same cheese sauce as
Everywhere.
7-Eleven.
All cheese sauces taste different, bro.
Alright, so
No.
now would you go to the store for the cheese sauce?
That with the chicken tenders and the wedges.
Nah, anything out here.
Listen, I'm plain Jane. They hate it.
love some Royal Farm.
I love Royal Farms, Wawa's.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
You in love with the gas station food.
Nah, it's just those two. I
Oh,
love,
those two.
you know
Okay,
what I'm saying?
respect.
Those two, yeah. I'd have told her to stop at Checkers or something.
I'm getting me a steak burger today.
Oh, them Angus junk.
Bad shit, man. I'm treating you. You nigga need a steak.
Steak?
Yeah, we need to get a steak.
Steak?
Oh,
He said, where can I get a good steak
We gotta
from?
call Khalid, man. Make sure they make them shirts for us, man. I'm gonna make him make some colors, personal shirts.
Nigga ain't cat.
Who you waiting on?
Khalid.
Huh?
Khalid. What's his name? The fat dude.
Nigga ain't Kyle. Nigga.
Yeah, his name
Oh,
Kyle like shit.
Kyle O'Connor, bro.
The nigga bald head there?
Kyle. You talking about Khalil, nigga? We
No,
on Saturday?
Khalil is the bald head one that live in the building.
Oh, I thought
On
that.
Sunday,
Who's that?
we
The
get
maintenance nigga?
Yeah, that's Khalil. That's wild.
I didn't even know that nigga name, gang. What the fuck?
Go ahead, yeah.
Y'all fucking with me, yeah.
The dude up there, his name is Kyle.
All right, Kyle, I thought that nigga put Khalid in my phone, yeah.
Man, I don't know who worse, you or my grandmother, you know?
Damn, with that shit, right?
What kind of
The
name?
girl I did that.
That nigga-
Man, my grandma, she like, Robbie, Junior, Lonnie. She gotta go through 5 names before she get to mine.
Yeah, sure.
You know who I'm talking about.
That nigga Frank be calling me Gunna, calling a Gunna banger.
Yeah.
That's gay banger shit. You didn't give me shit.
Y'all, he like, I know, Frank. Like, why the hell I keep on getting y'all two niggas?
This is the one we were supposed to come up.
Yeah, that's that Royal
The Roy
Farm.
Farm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's that Royal Farm.
I know this quarter. This is my
Duck
bad
bump
quarter
from-
right here.
We ducked that punishment.
No, I'm with y'all. I'm with y'all.
Okay,
Don't worry.
I'm gonna make sure it's done our way.
29 that way though. I know. 29 that way.
Hey, you going that way? Cause like, nah, I'm going that 29.
It's okay. Wendy's right here. Make the left.
Hey, we went to the Wendy's. My man booked the joint at the drive-thru.
Yeah.
I guess he got with her, and after that, he's like, "Nah, we can't go to that Wendy's."
What happened?
I don't even know. He wouldn't even tell me.
Bill, nah, Banger.
Huh?
Banger.
No.
Your man. Oh, no, yeah, he don't get no act.
Yeah, he wasn't.
I said Banger, he said like that.
Yeah, you know Banger don't get no action. You gotta throw him some action. This actually gotta be some North Dakota
Hold on, some real shit, Banger.
rando.
These niggas, these niggas be head,
Hold on, baby. I know you got big play. I remember that some of the Charger you was going. But let me ask you this: between us three, When was the last? The camera on it. The camera. The camera. Us three, us four. You know, same bro, man, fifth flow shit, same thing. But look, when the last time you got action?
That's my guy action. What you mean? Like that's my guy having pussy?
Yeah, you got action.
I ain't know, like 2-3 weeks ago, bro.
Was it the week when I got you the
Whatever,
white bitch?
whatever we got left, I left and walked down to Patterson.
Oh, okay.
Was that last week, man?
You threw the book bag on.
Yeah.
When the last time
You got some new
you
action.
got some new same day action?
I ain't get that in a
Look,
minute,
he scratched his
bro.
head.
I ain't get that in a minute, man.
Hey, you know motherfucker telling the truth when he scratches his head.
That's some real shit. That nigga ain't lying. This is that real shit. Nigga ain't lying.
Yeah, bro. I told y'all. I told
But
you
you know you
last
can't
time.
lie on your smeat either. It's
See,
not good to lie
it's
on
not
your smeat.
good.
cuz
It's not gonna fall
that's
off when
one
you get
thing.
something.
Yeah, early.
You know what I'm saying?
Early.
So
These
listen,
little niggas out there talking about I'm
The
scratching
white-
everything in the
listen.
school.
I met the Miss White brother at court. Man, court day. I saw her walk in Silver Spring. Saw her walking up the steps. I said something like, some collard greens to her. You fat white broad. And I hit her. That's the last broad I hit the same day I met her. I think.
My man selling out here back.
When was that?
What, a year and a half?
A year and a half ago.
First time I met her. Yeah.
We got some work to do, man. We got some work to do.
We'll be back with y'all, all right?
No, we got some work. I'm talking about all you. That's not good.
Same day action? That's cool, bro.
Same day action.
Shit don't work out like that for me, I guess, man. It's all right. I'm cut from a
be
different
like
cloth.
that
My cloth
sometimes.
is fucking woo.
Nah, we about to fix that. Don't worry.
I can get some same
We mention it every time it happens like that.
Yeah.
When the camera get on, nothing funny to go.
Y'all can't get. When the camera on, we can't say shit. You know? We talking about breakfast. Camera off is too much shit going on. Camera on. What's your favorite breakfast food?
Back into the weather.
Hey,
Hey,
I said, do some sports. There ain't no sports going on right now.
hey, look.
It ain't no game.
The other day when Smoke was sleeping in the truck, and, like he was, and I had him like off his head now and shit. So like I'm trying to tell Banker to ask him a question. You know what I'm saying? Cause like every time I tried to break, he was like, you know what I'm saying? He hit you with the drop dead Fred joint.
Smoke, you alright?
Yeah. Banker like, your favorite color red?
He ain't even asking no matchup
He
question.
couldn't get down. Yeah.
He ain't getting.
I'm like, ask him a fucked up joint. Ask him something good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Your favorite color red?
Going to the zoo.
He's like, I don't know.
Y'all niggas too funny, bro. There you go again.
This I don't know how to act in front of
That's
the
what I
camera,
said.
man.
We just gotta have the joke stash.
Yeah, well, you can't see it because now we looking at it. I see you and shit.
You know, remember I asked you, I said, why would niggas be on FaceTime? They always be like this. Why they on the phone? Like, they talking to somebody, the bitches and niggas always be like, yeah, so,
That's what Shorty was just doing.
yeah, I was like, why people always do that shit, huh?
It's fuzzy, it's frizzy. That's all I can see. Just trying to be slick.
She ain't know she was in front of you, behind you.
Yeah, she no, I can
Shit, y'all like threw you off. You speeding up.
Slowing down.
We pull up on the bitch.
And wasn't even her. I was.
Shit, one of her.
I might did the dash for the pussy.
Baby, huh?
What they gonna do with a pussy, the dash? First time I ever got pulled over was on 29, dog. I would never look at this shit the same.
I got pulled over on 29. I'm riding so clean, but I'm getting it. I think I'm doing like 130 coming down this
Oh
road.
yeah, he deserved to get pulled over.
But he ain't clocked me at 130. He ain't even clocked me. He like
He just knew you was
yeah.
doing too much.
He's like, why you going so fast? I'm like, what you mean? I'm like, nah, this car look like it goes fast.
Just look fast.
Yeah, it look cool going down the road. You think it's going fast. But whole time I'm really going like 30.
Yeah.
He was.
There you go.
He gave me a warning though.
Man, they gave him like directed $300 ticket on 270. And a mustard pig.
What, reckless drive?
Go to court, too.
Surprise ain't lock his ass up.
Ooh, do not let me forget my court
On the
date.
7th.
At what time?
You say 9, but you say you always gonna be there when they open.
8:30.
Who representing you?
Sean McNeil's firm. What you mean?
You know who representing me.
The McNeil firm.
I don't trust. I don't trust these lawyers.
Yeah, these lawyers janky. They working with
It don't
the
even
art.
ma-
That's the
It don't
definition.
even matter if you give them a lot of bread or not.
Can you come and represent me for a jump, or you gotta be?
You gotta have a license. You know?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Who was it? Oh my gosh, I can't remember. Somebody. I think this was Head. I think this is a story for Head.
He represented himself, or he represented
No,
somebody.
I think he was trying to tell somebody to represent him, and the judge was like, "Who are you?" You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta be in the system,
You can't be popping
Oh, you
up
just
talking
gotta
about.
represent yourself.
or where your license at.
You just gotta represent yourself. The court burn your ass.
You know your shit, nigga. You just gotta know a little bit. Too much.
It's a whole different language. That's all. You know what I'm saying? Lawyer talk. What's it called? What's the correct term for? I forget.
Legalis.
That's the dictionary.
What do you say, son?
It's the dictionary.
You know what you say?
Oh, legalis.
Legality. I swear, man. I remember one day me and Sean driving, bro. We talking about
fucked up.
this around the time Kanye was talking about the slave shit. And that nigga
forgot what I said,
that nigga
yeah.
Sean was like, man, that
Oh,
nigga,
yeah, I remember.
that nigga hit two motherfuckers, he's on drugs.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Con means with. Yay, you know. You know what I'm saying? West. West means he just went all the way left.
He made his own term.
Hey, I was dying, bro.
You break down the meaning of the Kanye West. Go down to the root of it.
The nigga name is with drugs.
With drugs.
He's with the
Yeah.
shit. He's with the yeah.
Yeah, he's all the way left.
This is the one when he left with
Left
it.
field with
It's
it.
crazy. You know, like, it's crazy.
Hey, when I get a list?
I'm like, okay,
He's like, he's crazy.
I wasn't talking about you, bro. Hell.
Oh, that's your list.
I don't know what it is.
He's crazy.
Man, y'all gonna stop clowning.
Where this stuff at? Why you in White Oak?
Tacoma Park.
You said that a couple times. It's around the house.
And the way he's saying it's so correct. Tacoma Park.
Yeah, because he's
We going there, Frank. Tacoma.
We supposed to go get them.
No, this is the truck you was talking about.
Over these trucks? Oh!
Bang
Yeah,
Japan.
that's who she was following.
Oh,
Nigga, that's who.
hold on. Hold on.